Alright YouTubers, so this is a KTM 790 oil jet, right? And it was bloody hard to remove. So I thought I'd just give you some advice. By the way, you can see down there, just move my hand, down by my thumb, there's a fair amount of gunge on that. So this thing, and my bike's got about 1,800 miles. I changed the oil at 600 miles. I'm just surprised how dirty this is. And this was not easy to remove. You can see the lock thread there. So basically you have to put the bike in gear, lock the rear wheel, and then I used as wide a tip as I could find. If I can find that on my camera, there we go. So I used a screwdriver with a very wide tip, and then I used the grips, and with wheel locked I was able to get it